12,999. Well, this is how much this tablet from Xiaomi sub brand Redmi costs. इसका नाम है Redmi Pad और ये recently launch हुआ है सिर्फ 12,999 में. It's packing in some stellar features and specs. क्या प्राइस कम होने का मतलब है कि क्वालिटी से भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज हुआ है? Should you be buying this tablet if you're in the market for buying a budget tablet? Well, let's find out in this review. I'm Sumita Karir. Let's first talk about its design. Well guys, as you can see, it flaunts a regular tablet design, बहुत ही regular tablet design है, but the good thing is that it weighs only 465 grams and doesn't even feel like it's 465 grams heavy. और बाकी ये काफ़ी sleek है, as you can see, weight distribution is pretty equal, तो आपको hold करने में भी one hand usage is also not problematic. And you've got this really nice new mint color which I've gotten. And besides this, इसके दो और colors भी हैं, silver and grey. Now the body is made up of aluminum. On top left here you get the camera panel. यहाँ पे आपको 4 Dolby Atmos powered speakers भी मिल जाएंगे. This is of course your power button. And दो speakers ऊपर हैं, दो speakers नीचे हैं. USB का जो port है वो आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. Volume rocker buttons आपको right hand side पे मिल जाएंगे, which are within your reach and easy to sort of reach out to them as well. उसके अलावा आपको माइक्स भी मिल जाएंगे एंड देन यू ऑल्सो गेट एन SD कार्ड एज वेल फॉर एक्सटर्नल स्टोरेज. बट थोड़ा सा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट आपको होगा बिकॉज इट डज नॉट हैव अ फिंगरप्रिंट स्कैनर. दिस इज जस्ट अ लॉक स्क्रीन बटन और इसमें आपको कोई सिम कार्ड नहीं मिलेगा. And now let's talk about the most important feature in tablets, the display. Display अच्छा है कि नहीं? Well, you can see it for yourself. The display is pretty bright. Screen total size है 10.61 LCD display. Yes, this is an LCD display, although it also has a 90 Hz refresh rate, which basically means that it keeps things very, very smooth and fluid. And the best part is that this is the only tablet in this segment that has managed to push past the 60 Hz refresh rate mark, जो बहुत ही एक अच्छी बात है. Overall जो आपको कलर्स दिखेंगे जो आप देख पा रहे हैं बहुत ही फ्लूइड, बहुत ही शार्प दिखेंगे. कलर रिप्रोडक्शन जो है इसका बहुत ही अच्छा है. सैचुरेशन लेवल्स आर आल्सो ग्रेट, वेरी वेरी वेल बैलेंस्ड और हेजी पिक्चर्स नहीं दिखती हैं आपको. इसके अंदर जो डिटेलिंग है वो बहुत अच्छे से आ रही है इसमें. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टाइपिंग ऑन दिस टैबलेट. टाइपिंग का मैं ज़्यादा कभी फेवर में नहीं थी ऑन टैबलेट्स बिकॉज इट्स वेरी कम्बसम. यू नो, यू गो फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दैट पॉइंट एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट रिमेन्स विद दिस टैबलेट ऑल्सो, बट देन इट्स अ कैटेगरी thing. It's not really specific to Redmi. Another thing is that it supports HD OTT content for apps like Netflix and of course Amazon Prime. And now let's talk about the camera. Although आपको पता ही होगा कि टैबलेट्स में जो डिफाइनिंग फीचर है वो कभी कैमराज नहीं आता, उसको इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दी जाती. एंड आई थिंक मे बी to some extent that's true for this also because it cannot compete with smartphone level photography, smartphone grade cameras. Otherwise इसके photos और pictures देखेंगे उनका भी reproduction is quite great. You get the details, edge detection is also good, background colors are also very well captured and the lighting here is not very great either. So उसमें ये अच्छा करता है. In fact, the front camera is also 8 megapixels with 1080p recording. जो back camera है that's also 8 megapixels. So picture reproduction in both the cameras is great, guys. As you can see, it's not getting grainy. मैंने इसको काफ़ी zoom कर दिया, max zoom पे है. And overall, I think the pictures are captured true to reality. Colors भी बहुत close to real हैं. The camera app also comes with a document scanner. Which is indeed great. Then there is a short video option as well. And now let's talk about its performance. Well, performance wise it is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 which is the latest processor. तो वो देता है काफ़ी fiery performance. Whether you're switching between apps, you're watching videos, you're watching OTT content, you're gaming या फिर अगर आपकी ऑफिस प्रोडक्टिविटी की कुछ नीड्स हैं और you're just reading. It runs on Android 12 paired with MIUI 13 which is optimized to work for a tablet. तो आपको इसमें कुछ चीज़ें मिलेंगी जो आपको काफ़ी डिफरेंट लगेंगी. जैसे यहाँ पे आपको एक टास्क बार मिल जाएगा. इसमें कोई ऐप ड्रॉर नहीं है. आपको ऐप्स जो हैं वो सारी मेन पेज पे मिल जाएंगी या सेकंड पेज पे. यू नो, इफ़ यू हैव टू मेनी ऐप्स देन यू कैन ट्रांसफर देम ऑन टू द सेकंड पेज एज वेल. उसके अलावा आपको कोई ब्लोटवेयर नहीं मिलेगा, कोई एड्स नहीं मिलेंगी, which basically keeps the entire UI user interface pretty clean. उसके अलावा Xiaomi has given 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches, which is great in my opinion for a budget tablet. Now gaming wise, जो regular games हैं, you'll be able to play them effortlessly for hours without the tablet getting heated up. However, for intense gaming, थोड़ा सा आपको stutter मिलेगा, but overall जो performance है, हम उसे consistent कह सकते हैं. Now battery wise, I think it's a power horse because you get 8000 mAh of battery. उसके अलावा आपको मिलेगा 22.5 watt का charger in the box, and that makes me really happy. And ये support करता है 18 watt का charging. Now how long does it last? Guys, with medium and light usage, it lasts me for more than 2 days. Which is decent in my opinion, but the only trouble with charging and battery is that it takes a lot of time to charge. 2.5 hours for fully charging this tablet, which in my opinion could be made better. जो पहला वेरिएंट है उसका प्राइस शुरू होता है 12,999 से and it goes all the way up till 16,999. So what works? Well, 90 Hz refresh rate, it's got an efficient battery, competitively priced and great sounding speakers. Cons? Well, no fingerprint sensor and no headphone jack. तो verdict क्या है? Guys, budget tablets की जो category है उसमें एक renewed interest आया है, especially after the pandemic. And especially अगर आपको कुछ feature heavy tablet मिल रहा है जिसमें आपकी सारी basic needs तो meet हो ही रही हैं, but आपको extra भी मिल रहा है in terms of all the features that I just spoke about at a competitive price. I think nothing like it. I would surely recommend you to buy this in case you're in the market to buy a budget tablet. Well, that's it from me, guys. आप मुझे बताइए आपको रिव्यू कैसा लगा और क्या आपने सोचा है खरीदने के बारे में Redmi का ये tablet, Redmi Pad. Let me know in the comment section below, and whatever questions you have, we'll try and address them in the comment section. And keep watching us for everything on tech. This is Sumita Karir signing off.